Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English class and I'm your teacher Miss Shazeen. Today our topic is odd one out. What is odd one out? Everything comes in a group, but if anything comes in wrong group, it is called odd one out. For example, we have a fruits group, a vegetables group, girls group, boys group, animals group. But if anything wrong comes in that group, that is called odd one out. Now here we have some examples. We have some fruits: apple, grapes, banana and carrot. Now tell me which one is odd one out. Are all these fruits? No, the carrot is not a fruit. So it means that carrot is odd one out. Similarly, we have another example. We have some flowers here: rose, sunflower, tulip, trees. Now tell me which one is odd one out. Trees are odd one out because the tree is not a flower. Now we have another example. Here we have cat, cow and horse and a parrot. Now tell me which one is odd one out. The parrot is odd one out because cat, cow and horse are mammals and parrot is a bird. So here we have parrot, that is odd one out. Now take out page number 38 in your English book. Here you have to underline the odd one out in each line. For example, number 1, cat, dog, plate, hamster. So which one is odd one out? Plate is odd one out because it is not an animal and all of the others are animals. After doing this, come on to page number 39. Here you have to trace the line and then rewrite it on the second line below. After that, take out page number 40, word blends. Now here we have some words that has same ending and that is am. Now here we have the words. If we add the word before am, it will make a new word. For example, dam, ham, jam, ram, sam. Now you have to trace these words and rewrite it on the line that is given in the end of each line. Assalamu alaikum students, this is your English class and I am your teacher Miss Shazeen. Today we are going to do review classes of the previous months. In the month of July we have studied alphabet, vowels and articles. In alphabets we have studied about small and capital letters on page number 3. Then we have studied alphabetical order. What is alphabetical order? To place the words according to their alphabetical sequence, and this work is done on page number 4, 5 and 6 in your English book. Then our next topic is vowels. What are the 5 vowels? A, E, I, O, U. We have done it from page number 7 till page number 14. Page number 15. Then we have articles. Articles, what are articles? Write A or N. Those letters, those words that starts with vowels, we have to add N before that, and the rest of the word that are called consonants, we have to add A before these words. This work is done on page number 17 and 19. Now coming to the month of August. In August we have 3 topics: syllables, nouns and composition. In syllables we have studied that syllables are those that a word is divided into how many parts when we say any word. It can be 1 syllable, 2 syllable, 3 syllables or 4 syllable word. This work is done on page number 22, 23. And after that we have studied about nouns. What are nouns? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing. And we have done page number 25, 26, 27, 28 and 29 for the topic of nouns. After that we have a composition on page number 31. Anne makes cake. Now on page number 31 we have 4 pictures. We have to arrange them in the numbering order and in the sequence, and then we have to put the correct sentences on the pictures. After that, we are starting with our September work. In September, we have covered word blends, animal homes, animal noises, odd one out. Now, what are word blends? Word blends are those words that have the same ending, and we have done page number 34. Words that end with en, for example, dan, han, man, pen, ten, and many more. After that, we have another topic, that is animal homes. That is starting from page number 35. We have covered what animals lives in which home. On page number 36 and 37, we have animal noises, which animal makes which sound. Now, after that, on page number 38, we have another topic, odd one out, which means the thing that is out of particular group is called odd one out. These are all the topics that we have covered so far. Now, for all those students who have not completed their previous work, please complete all these pages and make sure your all work is completed. Pen, hand, man, pen, ten, and many more. After that, we have another topic, that is animal homes. That is starting from page number 35. We have covered what animals lives in which home. On page number 36 and 37, we have animal noises, which animal makes which sound. Now, after that, on page number 38, we have another topic, odd one out, which means the thing that is out of particular group is called odd one out. These are all the topics that we have covered so far. Now, for all those students who have not completed their previous work, please complete all these pages and make sure your all work is completed.